is the P letter, okay? P, okay? So this is a capital P and a lowercase p. And the sound this letter makes is the P sound. P, P, P. You start with your lips closed together and you kind of like you're pushing out air. Okay, so let's put this sound into some words then. Okay, our first one is pin. Okay, pin. 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 I have a pin in the notice board. Pin. Okay, as we can see, 3 letters making 3 sounds because we have a red dot, and each red dot is 1 letter making 1 sound. Okay, next one we have is puffin. 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 The puffin is beautiful, you could say. The puffin is a beautiful bird, okay? Puffin. Okay, 2 F letter shapes making 1 F sound, okay? And finally, for the P words is peace. Peace, okay? Peace. Okay, there are 2 different words which sound the same. Like this is a piece of pizza, and another spelling which is we want world peace. But we're going for a slice here, okay? A slice or a piece of pizza, okay? Peace. Peace. Okay, we've got the E sound here, E, 2-letter sound, and S, a S digraph. Peace. I want a piece of pizza. Okay, so how many letters does peace have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Peace. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sounds there. Okay, so let's go over all of these again. Say it with me at home so you can practice. We have p, p, pin, pin, puffin, puffin, and peace, peace. Okay, for watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.